Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we are going to solve the exercise of unit number 12, and the name of the unit is The Nawab of Salimabad, Part 1. Answer the following question. First question is, why did the Nawab enter the small house? The answer of this question is, Nawab entered the small house to take shelter from rain. Next question is, why didn't the three sons send letters to their parents? The sons could not write and the parents could not read. What is a regiment? A regiment is a large group of soldiers. What made the Nawab's cloak wet? Nawab's cloak had become wet because of rain. What did the farmer and his wife grow on their land? The farmer and his wife grew wheat and onions on their land. This question is more difficult. Discuss it first. In what ways were the farmer and his wife kind? They gave the Nawab shelter in rainy weather. They provided him with warmth, food, and a place to sleep. Answer the questions about these lines from the story. How can I tell whether those people who are poor are also happy? Who asked this question? The Nawab asks this question. Who is asked this question? The Wazir is asked this question. What answer is given to the speaker? The Wazir answers that the Nawab cannot tell whether the poor people in his kingdom are happy or not. How does the speaker find out the answer to the question? He finds out the answer to the question by traveling through his kingdom and observing the condition of his people. Make the following. The Nawab of Salimabad was a very great man. He traveled for many months. He wore a cloak over his shoulders. Cover yourself with this blanket. Challenge. The Nawab was proud of his cavalry. What do you think made him proud of the cavalry? First ये क्वेश्चन है. नेक्स्ट है कि हाउ आर यू प्राउड ऑफ एनीथिंग, टॉक अबाउट इट. The riders and the horses of Nawab's cavalry were the finest in the kingdom. That is why the Nawab was proud of them. One question. And the second one is, I am proud of my school. I think it is the finest school of the city. All the teachers are very kind and capable. We are taught well. We are treated with kindness. All this makes me proud of my school. Choose the correct words from the box to complete the sentences. We often move from one place to another by walking. This happens when countries fight each other. War. If you don't eat your food, it may be wasted. He serves in our restaurant as a waiter. A long, loud, sad cry is called a wail. Next question. Write the opposites of the following words you will find in the words in the play. Cool, warm, ill, well, ashamed, proud, badly, well. Write words with the same meanings as the following. You will find the words in the play: cross, unkind; dreadful, awful; in the end, finally; relaxed, comfortable; get by, manage; player, enjoyment. Fill in the blanks in the following by changing the words in the brackets and sometimes by adding a word to. Gold is heavier than paper. This book is more interesting than that one. Is eating better than sleeping? Is stealing worse than hurting people? Is a poem more beautiful than a picture? Add articles in the blanks below. Not all the blanks need to be filled. Once upon a time, there lived an ugly miser. He was a very rich man and he grew oranges and apples. इन दोनों में कुछ नहीं आएगा. He sold them in the market. One day I asked him for an apple. He said, I can't give you an apple, but I will sell you one. ये भी blank ही रहेगा. Then give me an orange. I said, I put the fruit in the bag and walked off down the road. Next question is complete the chart using the correct form of the verbs: catch, caught, caught; begin, began, begun; fall, fell, fallen; ride, rode, ridden; send, sent, sent; give, gave, given. Composition. Who did the Nawab meet on his travels around his kingdom? Write about some of the people he might have met. The Nawab met a carpenter in a village. He stayed for one night with him and noticed that the carpenter has a very large family. He has to work hard, very hard, to provide for the needs of his family, but he is a happy man. That is because he earns an honest living and loves his family. He also met a very rich man. The Nawab requested the permission to spend a night in his guest house, but the rich man refused. He instead told the Nawab that he can stay with the servants if he likes. The Nawab found out that the rich man was very afraid of robbers and he thought that the Nawab might want to rob him if he allowed him to stay in the guest house. Due to this fear, the rich man befriended no one.